Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So finally this is one of the most awaited videos. Okay, today I'm going to give my car for major service. Okay, so we are going to divide it to two parts, like major service, then periodic service. Okay, I'll share you all the information, what all parts we are are going to change, and what is the costing, everything I'm going to share you on this video, guys. Okay, so watch the video till end. Okay guys, so the wiper, uh, like the washer fluid motor, a small motor we have changed, as you saw. So let's see how it will work now. Okay, just push this. Now you can see the water is coming. That's how it works, guys. Okay, now we'll check the rear as well. Okay, so Tarlo. Okay, we can see here as well the windshield is getting cleared, guys. So this particular thing we have changed. Okay guys, so this is the clutch set. You can see the condition of the clutch set, and here as well. So this is the old part, and this is the bearing of the gear. Okay, so this is going, this is replaced, new parts is replaced. So the condition of the car, it's the pickup and all is increased very much. So yeah, so it's the next thing. Okay, so this is the next part which we have changed. This is the link rod. Okay, so it's you can see the condition of the link rods as well. So there is a huge damage in the rods, so it's better if you replace. So the next major part which we have changed is this bushes, which is the arm bushes. Okay, two parts you will get. So these are the two parts. Okay, yep. And apart from other major thing, yep, you can see this big part. This is the brake booster, which is very important for the brake. So brake booster, this is the oil tank, the brake fluid tank. So this is the brake booster. You can see the condition, it's completely rusting and all. So that's why we have replaced this. Okay, so yep. There's another major part which we have replaced is this V-belt tensioner. This was used to make huge noise, so we have changed this as well. Okay, so this is the part. So guys, so when it comes to the costing, see, majority, the major service, you can see the list is available on the screen. So this is the total amount which I have spent for the major service. Okay, so I have given my car in the garage in a workshop called German Auto Tech. Okay, so he's a specialist for German cars. He have very good experience of German cars like Audi, Skoda, and VW cars. So a lot of people used to ask me to suggest a good German workshop for service. So this is one of the best service which I have found recently. So you can visit here to get a complete good service. Okay, so I will add the link in the description, guys, so you can visit and you can complete your service. So that's it in today's video, guys. Meet you in next video. Till that, take care.